Hi everyone, we're back with another Heartdeco Wonders video, and today we are assembling a lovely, really nice towel rack. It's the bamboo freestanding towel rack from Heartdeco. Now don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, as well as visit our website www.heartdeco.co.za. So we have already taken it out of the box and we placed it in front of us. So we'll be calling this wooden mat part A. We'll be calling the 3 bars B. We'll be calling the long bars C. They come in 2s. And we'll be calling this short bar D. We'll be calling the screws E, as well as they come with an Allen key to help screw on and assemble the product. We'll also include this in E. So now let us start assembling. So we'll be moving the other parts that we won't be needing for the first part aside, just so we can have a bit of space to start assembling. We'll be taking our B and our C's and attaching them together, and then we'll overall just have an idea of where the product is going. It will be quick, it will be easy, so stick along and continue watching the video. So now we'll be attaching our B's to C. As you can see, it has 3 big holes to attach these pipes onto our C. We'll be using our screw as well as our Allen key to do this. So as you can see, it's nicely fitted, and now we'll be repeating the same process on the second hole and the third hole. So this is how it looks before we attach the second C bar, and our whole body of the product will be done. So now we'll be attaching our D, this short bar, to our C, and we'll be doing this 4 times, twice on each side. So you'll be attaching your screws onto these holes. So now we're moving on to the other side, and we'll repeat the step. done. Now we move on to the final step. So now we're in the final part of the assembling process, and we'll be attaching the A to our C's, and we are done assembling. So the A has 2 holes on either side of it that we'll be attaching to these 2 holes as well on C. So we are done, and this is how your bathroom freestanding bamboo towel rack looks. It's beautiful, it's sturdy. The Allen key makes sure that it's well fitted and stable onto the product. And it has a modern feel and modern look to any bathroom. Absolutely stunning. This is how it looks. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Now don't forget that you can get this lovely product at www.heartdeco.co.za. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And it would be a pleasure if you would continue to follow us on our social media channels, Heartdeco SA on Twitter, Facebook, and any other social media channel that you are on. Now thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in another video. Merry Christmas.